What's up, Loxton here, and I'm in my 2005 Dodge Neon, and she's been having some problems. I grabbed the wrong keys.
Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hi. How are you doing?
Want some tomatoes?
Hey, what's up? Loxton here, and I'm in my 05 Dodge Neon. It's got about like 153 miles on it. 153,000 miles on it. So it's about that age where everything's gonna start dying on this car. Yay, me! Anyways, so about a month ago, started missing work here and there periodically because it stopped running right. It'd go like this on me. That's what it felt like, right? I'd rev it up and I'm like, bah, 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 bah. Flash the codes, pretty simple to do. I haven't drove it yet today because I need to buy a part that I already knew I needed to buy. See if she actually starts for me. Okay, she started just fine. But that doesn't mean it's not broken. Let's show you a clip of what it actually did when I was messing up. Yeah, it's pretty jacked, ain't it? So sometimes what would happen when I let it rev or run, about 20 minutes later, 15, let it warm up in the morning, it would start going like this. I can't even do it with the foot pedal, but it'd be like pop, pop, pop. It'd do what you saw in the video. So today we're gonna change this out. I don't wanna get it too hot. But let's show you a little something here of how I know that it's this. Okay, so it's pretty simple. To check your engine, you simply put in your key, you get your bing, 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 you turn your key on. 1, off. 2, off. 3. And then you're gonna get this coding just like that. We're gonna do it one more time just so you can see it properly. 1, 2, 3. You get P2096, that's the lean code. And P0340, and that is the cam code. I could be a little backwards. And done. Okay, nothing new. So now there's nothing new. I already know it's the cam sensor because I myself changed the fuel pump. It's a brand new alternator. There should be nothing actually causing irregularities in any kind of electronics that's going on in this car right now. Fuel pump should be fine. It's seriously been done like 1.5 years ago, something like that. So let's change that sensor. Excuse the mess, it's a work car. All right, so apparently I'm gonna have a lot of issue getting right down in here where this thing belongs. I can see it right there. That's what I need. This is the part that I'm changing. It's got this little rubber ring. That's going in there. Let's see what I got here. There's one. I was told that 8mm bolts. This battery really ain't in there. So first thing I'm gonna do is pop the PCV valve. I'm gonna pop these apart. I really don't want to take those off, but I feel like it's gonna help me a lot. So this really is not what I'm trying to do today, but I have to. It's a necessity in life right now. I'm gonna take this little thing and push it down in here like this. Then I should be able to get this off.
There it goes. Keep your finger back there so you don't lose that clip, because you know they're super important as a lock clip. You don't want nobody messing with it. Ow! Okay, I'm no longer happy. I seriously just dropped my screwdriver down my car. There we go. Technically, you should always disconnect your battery before working on any kind of electronics, but I don't care. Well, that makes things a lot easier to get at. I think you might be able to see what I'm doing over here. These things. Why'd you guys make these? Why? 8mm socket. That's what I was told at least, so let's see. Yes, direct fit. That loosened up pretty quick. This one shoves through. Oh, I guess it shoves through right here. Oh, that slipped. Did you see that? Oh! Alright, so these things are definitely up in the way. Oh my god. This is why I hate working on cars. This is one of the main reasons. Right here. 2 times. Nope, that ain't gonna work. So I see somebody say those are a pain to get at. Way to fall this time. 3rd time. Off of this stupid sensor. It doesn't matter if I unconnect these, they're still gonna be in the way no matter what. No matter what. Alright. Get yourself the right ratchet. It might make a difference. Alright, now I got a little clarity here. Let's take you in here to see everything. There's a part right here. Right here I'm changing. So initially these are right in the way of all the bolts. See, there's one on the other side, and there's 2 more below. They're right in the way. Right in the freaking way. So now I got them all loose. I'm just gonna try to get my hand in here in some weird fashion way.
It doesn't fit. I lost one wrench. It doesn't fit because I grabbed the wrong one. I needed this one. I gotta ratchet it. And this hurts my knees. Okay, see how I got my arm? I got it hooked around. My thumb's in here, all around in here, and up and over. This is how you gotta do it. Alright, I got all the bolts off. Now this thing should be able to pop right off. Dusty. Yeah, look at all that oil. Gasket looks shot. And I already seem to have got this clip. Oh wow, that one just clips like this. This thing's been changed before, it looks like. There you go, just go until it pops. That can't be good. She stays in there nice, whatever. It's good. This is my bad sensor. Okay, apparently I ain't got any. Get that one started. After I get these three started, I'll find the one I lost. Then we should be good to go. Crank these down and then find the one I lost. I'm gonna start with this bottom one because, yeah, I don't want it to fall. I'm gonna keep twisting, back on, righty tighty. Come on, Cletus. This hurts my back. This is the easy one. I think the other one's pretty easy too.
I gotta get on my knees for this.
Just one bolt, it's so freaking long. Alright, that's down there. I don't have the torque setting, so I'm gonna go with the constant torque of, it almost feels like it wants to crack. And that's my torque. And now to try to get at this last one that I just found. Oh, I can't reach it. Not with that hand. Not there, at least. I feel like I'm close. Ow! I need one of those magnet things. I can't get my hand out. It's stuck. I'm being eaten by a bunch of sensors. It's right there. Can I get it from any other place, like up and around here? Nope, that ain't gonna happen. Let's see if I can go all the way this way here. Oh, God. Oh. Wow. That was tough. And then back into your pipelines because you can't go underneath. So I think you actually got to go in between. Oh, wait, no, this one. I think that's the fifth time. Fifth time I dropped this thing.
Overstretch your hammies. Yeah, she likes that. She's going in now. Almost there. Another 1.5 millimeters to go. It's like a mile down the road. There it is. Now she's tight. Okay. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna put the battery back in. This thing's junk. Look at these tools right up out of here. Screw that red piece because I broke it. It ain't going back in. So this can all get pushed back down. All these things can go back in. This can get clipped. This can go back in there like that. Alright. These can get lifted up behind my empty brake fluid line. It doesn't seem to matter, it's just where it wants to get stuck. There we go, it's locked back in. Simple dimple. Push this on the sides, so we're just gonna throw this bad boy on here and tighten her down. This could be the problem, who cares? Stupid crescent wrench it. Stupid hands. Stupid battery clamps from the store that don't work with the junk. That's on there. Alright. So there you have it, a really simple job of changing a crank sensor. You just gotta learn how to fish your hands in there and not drop stuff. And don't let bolts go. So, excuse me. Alright, so here we are back in the Neon, and I'm about to turn the key on. Battery's been off for 15 minutes easy. We're gonna see if we have any new codes or codes that are still there. The engine check light's still on. Not when I started though, now she's all off. Let's take a look. Alright, no codes. We're gonna shut it off. Gonna take the key out. We're gonna do the 1, 2, 3. Done. Alright. So you got a little tick, probably need some oil. Woo-wee! Alright, so there you have it. 2005 Dodge Neon cam sensor change. It's simple, but it's not. Loxton out. Alright, so now we're back inside. And I'm gonna turn the key on and see if we have any chicks. See if we have any chicks. Check engine diagnostics. Scratch that. So we're gonna check to see if we have any engine diagnostic codes. Oh, that's a reflex there. So I'm gonna check this.